Well, today we're going to start draining the 20-acre lake on the big dredging we got to do. Here's the overflow on it. As you can tell, it's got pretty good flow. Pretty good flow. Now, this is a lake that when it rains you don't work on because there's an extreme amount of water that flows through here. You can see the water gauge on the side. I know it has been up to like the 5 or 6 foot mark before, and that means an ungodly amount of water is coming through here. So this spillway is like 80 feet wide, I think. But there's a 12-inch valve out there, maybe bigger, I don't know. But we're gonna go out there. Cameron's in the boat. I'm gonna stand up here, and John's down there in the woods where the pipe comes out. He's going to kind of be the estimator on how much water's coming out, and I get to relay the message. Is it like PVC pipes with concrete in it, or they just like slipped over something?
They just slipped over.
It's flimsy? Oh dear. That chain ain't hooked to anything, is it? Perfect. So that's the valve. He's hooking got an emergency ladder. He's gonna hook to it just because when the water goes down 5 or 6 feet, it's going to be kind of hard to get to that handle. But I come up with the idea of putting a pipe wrench on it and turning it from the boat. Yeah, I mean it really don't matter. Try to, you should pull it towards you. Should loosen it. If the chain will stay in place, use that as a counter so we know how many revolutions. Yeah. I don't think it's open yet, has it? I don't think it's gotten loose enough to open yet, has it? That's one. It's opening now. 2. Alright, that's 2. 3. It's the hard part about trying to pry, staying in a boat. Go to about 8 and wait till I hear from him. That probably won't open it but about 2 inches, maybe. 4. You see anything yet?
It's coming now.
Alright. He's on 5 right now. How much water's coming out? Alright, we're gonna let it drain down. We got about 3 6-inch siphons worth coming out. All that's from the rain, so should subside and start going down. A lot of sediment. All that's supposed to be lake. All that's got to come out. A lot of sediment. All that. We're gonna be here a while. That's the sound of me heading to the next project for today. Driving up here to the owner's house. They got 6 pine trees they want to take down in the front yard. We could possibly land on the house. She's getting older and doesn't want to have to deal with the maintenance of cleaning up limbs and pine cones. So we're going to take down these. There's 3 in the front yard, big pine trees, and 3 over there beside that power line. Just do a little video before and after showing showing the difference. But yeah, it's us pine trees. So I got 2 more tall pine trees to take down. I gotta drop them across the driveway because I got overhead power line right here and one right here behind me. That one's rotten. Rotten. So I got all 6 pine trees taken down, kind of graded out. We had to leave 1 stump just because it was right beside the driveway. It would have taken a good chunk of the driveway out if I'd pushed it over, so they're going to come grind that. A tree company's going to come stump grind that tomorrow, and I got those 3 from over there. Had to drop them across the driveway here. But yeah, customer wants to take care of the final cleanup, a little bit of raking and everything. But I got about 95–96% of it, I would say. Just a few little branches here and there and some pine cones. So they wanted to take care of that, so back over here to stack it all up in the woods, and that'll be a job well done. So I'm going to show you my Friday trick here. This is the easy way to clean tracks. Here, I'll let you so you can see. Get you a log. Take that thing and just act like a broom, sweep it right out. Look. Because shoveling tracks is overrated. Look, you can take it, push it all the way up in there and get all that dirt out. Just clean it right off. Look at that. 2 weeks of mud and dirt. That just saved me a lot of shoveling work. Take it and just push it up in there, drag it out. All clean. 1 little sweep right here, 1 more right here, and done. Now I'm going to take that machine and clean this one off.